surface data. This tutorial demonstrates some common surface editing tasks, including edge swapping, tin line deletion, and surface smoothing. You will also hide part of the surface using a hide boundary. Exercise 1. Swapping tin edges. In this exercise, you will swap several tin edges in a surface. Swap tin edges. Open surface for a.dwg. In this drawing, the surface is displayed as tin lines overlaid on an externally referenced land base image. Zoom into the lower edge of the surface. The area to zoom to. In Tool Space, on the Prospector tab, expand the Surface Definition collection. Right-click Edits. Click Swap Edge. On the command line, you are prompted to select an edge to swap. Click a tin edge to swap it. The recommended edges to swap. The edge is swapped if the following criteria are met. Two visible triangles are separated by the edge. The quadrilateral formed by the two triangles is convex. Optionally, continue to click other tin edges to swap them. Press Enter to end the command. The edits are add as swap edge operations to the Edits list view on the Prospector tab. Note: the description column in the list view provides the coordinates of the pick point along the edge that was swapped. Exercise 2, deleting tin lines. In this exercise, you will delete tin lines from a surface. The tin lines fall within a pond. By removing these lines, you can prevent contours from being drawn through the pond area. Delete lines. Open surface 4b.dwg. In this drawing, the surface is displayed as tin lines overlaid on an externally referenced land base image. Zoom into the rounded pond area in the upper left of the surface. The lines that cross the pond area. In Tool Space, on the Prospector tab, expand the Surface Definition collection, and right-click the Edits item. Click Delete Line. You are prompted to select an edge to remove. Click an edge that crosses the surface of the pond. Press Enter. The edge is removed and an interior border is created, following the adjacent tin lines. Repeat the delete line command and remove all tin lines that cross the pond surface. Tip: enter C on the command line to use crossing selection during the delete line command. The revised triangulation and the interior border. The edits are added as delete line operations to the edits list view in Prospector. Note: the description column in the list view provides the coordinates of the vertices for the edge that was deleted. Exercise 3, adding a hide boundary. In this exercise, you will create a hide boundary on the surface, which will mask unwanted triangulation. Add a hide boundary. Open surface 4c.dwg. In Tool Space, on the Prospector tab, under the Surfaces collection, expand the XG&D surface. Under the XG&D surface, expand the Definition collection. Right-click Boundaries. Click Add. In the Add Boundaries dialog box, specify the following parameters. Name, XG&D Pond Hide. Type, Hide. Non-destructive break line, selected. Mid-ordinate distance, 1.0000. Click OK. In the drawing, select the polyline object that matches the perimeter of the pond. the polyline that matches the pond perimeter. Press Enter. The height boundary is added to the surface definition. The surface displayed in the drawing is modified to display the pond as a whole in the surface. How the surface should appear with the height boundary. Exercise 4, Smoothing a surface. In this exercise, you will smooth a surface using the natural neighbor interpolation method. Smooth a surface using NNI. Open Surface 4D.dwg. In Tool Space, on the Prospector tab, expand the XGND Surface Definition Collection and right-click Edits. Click Smooth Surface. In the Smooth Surface dialog box, specify the following parameters. Select Method, Natural Neighbor Interpolation. Output Locations, Grid-based. The grid-based output location interpolates surface points on a grid defined within specified polygon areas selected in the drawing. After the areas are defined, you can specify the grid X and Y spacing and orientation properties. For the Select Output Region parameter, click the Value column. Click. On the command line, enter surface for the output region. This option will smooth the whole surface, rather than just the area within a specified rectangle or polygon. In the Smooth Surface dialog box, specify the following parameters. Grid X spacing, 10. Grid Y spacing, 10. In the drawing window, notice where some of the contour lines are especially angular. Click OK to smooth the surface. The display of the surface is smoothed, contours are less angular. A smooth surface item is added to the Edits list view on the Prospector tab. Note: the description column in the list view displays the type of surface smoothing that was used. You can delete the smooth surface edit from the list, but this does not reverse the smoothing operation until you rebuild the surface. You can also reverse the smoothing operation by using the U command.